Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to edit your clickable hyperlink in MS Word. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I have this particular hyperlink right here. So if I click on it and press enter key, this is pop up and I hit on OK. And then this is what I have in this hyperlink right here, which is just an image. How can we edit this to give us another result as the time? So how can we edit it? So each time anybody click on the hyperlink, it gives us another result as far as the hyperlink edit is concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here. Then first thing first, I light on the existing hyperlink. Then go ahead and right click. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on edit hyperlink. So here we go. Then it's going to open your folder in your PC right here. So you can see current folder. You can browse pages. You can check on the recent file as the case may be. You can also create a new document for your hyperlink. You can add email as hyperlink as the case may be. But in this tutorial, we want to see how we can edit and check some stuff as far as this is concerned. So I can decide to convert from image to an HTML or another image as the case may be. Like for instance, I want to change to this particular HTML document right here. I will go ahead and hit on OK. Now it has been successfully added. So if I click on the hyperlink again and I press enter key on my keyboard, so it's going to load just like so, asking me which option do I want to use to open this file. So I'm going to use this particular Microsoft Edge option, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it just once, and it's going to load up just like so. You can see we have successfully edited this particular link. So if you want to change to another thing, maybe you want to change to documents as the case may be. So I'm going to minimize this. So we're going to come back right here, go ahead and highlight again. So we want to make sure we right click. We want to make sure we click on edit. We want to make sure we click on edit hyperlink. So here we can decide to choose another information right here, or better still, we can click on here and choose another folder as the case may be. So right here we have so many different types of folder right here in my PC. So you can locate any file folder in your PC and choose any other document. Like for instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on this folder right here. So I want to change this into PDF. So I'm going to select on the PDF file and I'm going to go ahead and hit on OK. So by the time I come back right here, it has been embedded to the link, and press enter key on my keyboard, and this is going to pop up right here. So go ahead and click on yes. So allow it to load, and it's going to open the document. It is a PDF file, and just like what you see right here, successfully opened. You can go on and edit your hyperlink to different things as the case may be in MS Word without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.